Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 to $7 just to watch ads. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site so I can show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, family, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is AppGrind. So on this website, you're going to earn extra cash from your online activities. So they have high-paying surveys, several contests, completing offers, paid to promote, referring others, and task bonus. Now, they've been online and paying since March 2020. So it's a fairly new site, guys. So this is a good chance to jump on a site that hasn't been around so long. Now you just click here to join. These are the payment platforms they use to pay out. Now, it says here earn up to $20 plus from surveys and offers every day. Exclusive affiliate program for maximum referral earnings up to 20%. They have the surveys, they have offer walls, paid to promote, contests, and here are the members' benefits. So when you become a member, you're going to have effortless income from home, lots of different ways to earn up to 4 cents per click, earn up to 4 cents per referral click, guaranteed ads, surveys daily, and instant payments. Now, please guys, stick with me all the way to the very end, because I'm going to show you how you can make money viewing ads. So please stick with me. Now, they have over 250,000 members. This is the amount of total ads has been viewed. And this is the total offers completed. And this is the total paid. This is how much they have paid out, which is over $20,000. Now, guys, what I'm going to do now is show you proof of payments, because a lot of people want to know if websites like this are legit. So they have proof of payment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So here's the proof of payment. So as of today, this person right here, they have made $14.75, and their total paid is $19.64. And this person right here made $3.97. This one right here, $7, $12, got $19, $14, and check this out, guys, $44. So people have been making money on here and cashing out. Now I have an account, so what I'm going to do is log in and show you how you can make money viewing ads. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. Now it's a lot going on in here, so please pay attention. So we got upgrade account here, we got advertise, we got surveys, daily offers, daily surveys, paid to promote. So if you have any money to withdraw, it's going to show up right here. And if you want to add funds, like if you want to promote a website or something that you have, you can add funds and you pay. It's real cheap to promote. And check this out, you can earn $79.50 in 7 minutes. So that's going to say, that's what it says in my account. It probably say that in your account too. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is show you how to view ads and make money from that. So I'm going to click right here where it says earn money, and I'm going to click on view advertisement. Alright, so here's the daily ads that you will be receiving in your account. So okay, don't get discouraged. I know the amount you're going to earn is real low, but you don't have to look at the ad for 7 seconds. So when you click here, you're going to look at the ad for 7 seconds and you'll be able to get that amount. And the points you're going to get is 1 point. So more points you get, the more money you're going to get. So all these ads right here are 7 seconds. So it's not going to take that long to look at an ad. And then they have promotion ads right here. They have standard ads. Now these are 30 seconds long, so you might have to, you will have to look at these ads a little bit longer. But 30 seconds is not long at all. And here are the micro ads, so these only take 5 seconds. And as you can see, these ads are a little bit less amount of money. Well, this one right here is a little bit more than this one up here. But when you do all these, when you check out all these ads, in about 20 minutes, you're going to have $1. You're going to have over $1. And if you do this for an hour or two, you'll definitely have $10 to $20 easily. So that's how you view ads and make money on this website. Alright guys, I'm not going to show you anything else on here because they do have a lot of things that you can do on here to make money. So once you sign up, you can check everything else out in here and do those tasks and make even more money. So if you're ready to go ahead and get started, go ahead and go to AppGrind. That's AppGlix.com. Sign up and get started. Alright, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 15 likes. That's all I ask for, just 15 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, road to 8,000. Let's get there quick this time, guys, because once I got to 7,000, it took like 7 or 8 months to get to 7,000. So let's get to 8,000 in a month. Okay? I really appreciate it. This is Grind Family. We're the latest YouTube channel on YouTube, so let's act like it. Alright, before I go, one other thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.